This picture was taken last February or something. Then PA conduct, this boy couple, just look at community park of the Philippines, so it's not recognized with an argument. Then they conducted the point, just mention the people. I read the writers who are participating. We are very old intelligent professors who are just and fair viewers to my cute and lovely classmates. And finally, who are ever given that good morning. This house really believes that same-sex marriage should not be legalized in the Philippines. My deputy leader, Mr. Bonya, will further discuss mainly on religion, while my mate, Mr. Barosa, will serve as an aid, providing us a winning statement and further strengthen our arguments and let us talk whatever is necessary. And I wonder, Mr. Lee, and yours too, I will discuss more on reality and legalization. Later, my deputy leader of the Federation argument number 2, same-sex marriage is not normal in the Philippines. If you are going to argue what is normal and what is not, indeed, same-sex marriage is not normal in the Philippines and it is not legal. Do you know what the word norm is? This is the norm for the Philippines. Marriage is a union between a man and a woman, not by two men or two women. Our society is based on opposite-sex marriage.
Once again, good morning, sir. I'm the Deputy Prime Minister of the Government. I'm here to support all the arguments that Prime Minister has said about. We believe that same-sex relationships are not immoral. Does annulment are immoral, not moral? I think the answer is no. It signifies the promise of the wedded couple that they will live together. That they will live together for richer or for poorer, for sickness and health, and for better for the poor, because they will best to their farm. And only God can separate them. Then why does an officer need work? If it is immoral, then why not legalize same-sex marriage? And now about both homosexuals. Thank you, President. There are another religions around the world that there is ano yung right nila na magpakasal? All they want is illegalize nila ang gobyerno. Hindi ang religion nila ang ginagawa. Yung and because of the belief of those who are in the position to impose law, mawawala na yung rights nila. And one thing, the second argument or all that's said by the Prime Minister. Yes. Annulment is legal in the Philippines and enforced not. That's the fact. Annulment is immoral. It is considered in the Bible. It is considered as immoral in the Bible. Then why not consider same-sex relationship immoral?
Same-sex marriage is worse than annulment.
What I'm trying to say, annulment has been legalized in Philippines, which is considered immoral. Then why not? Legalize same-sex marriage? As I was saying, because the human species is in any real danger of dying out without justice. But I don't think so.
Again, good morning, Mr. Jewers, and Mr. Jewers. Our ever opposing opposition government and my kakampi is
Then why are you your statement to the Bible?
As you were saying, but the Bible has every bit of authority into us. As we are a Christian community bounded by a Christian faith, the Bible and the power of God, His authority is what is the law? It's our law. Therefore, as Christians, we should follow the Bible or
Point.
in case.
Creating a law is not based on the Bible. Bali yung may iba. Hindi lahat ng Pilipino, Kristiyano, may Muslim, may Islam. If you're going to build a Muslim or Buddhist or in other religions, paano yung right nila? Kung ibibig mo lang lahat yun sa Katoliko, it is not fair to all of them.
I am faith most of the time are majority of people. Therefore, sex marriage, as I said, should not be legal.
Or the argument of first group and to destroy the argument of the other. If we're really trying to go for, if we're really for this couple sanctity of marriage, then there is not,
They have said that governments have said that annulment is legal in the Philippines. And they have said that it's immoral. Then, so they are considering that same-sex marriage is a moral move. We are basing our statements in the Bible. As I have said, we are Christians. The majority of the population in the world are Christians, so we should abide by the law of God. As an individual, I won't have to make same-sex marriage because I know to myself that it's not right and it's immoral.
that's why it must not be considered as legally repugnant. We're saying that annulment is also immoral.
Annulment is out of the issue here, okay?
Annulment.
Oh, sarap.
Kokopya, ano?
My people.
Ha?
Sandy, Reginald, NF, Mayoka, Marduel, Shane, NF, Armin Ortiz, and Lester Soon. Marco Ray. Oh, really? Oh, really?
For our reply, our deputy leader of the opposition said that your image reflected upon the unity. The Christian Catholics have made this ritual unity, the sacrament, and this was the sacrament of all. And this is found to be the unit among three people, man, woman, and child. To be uniting the two men or two women, Filipino is not based on the Bible. If they don't think legalize same-sex marriage, would the relationship disappear? Would they stop loving each other? These people probably want to be married for the couple they become and because that ignore their needs or their human rights.
Bagong jupit.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Oh, picture.